BBC Maestro course, Writing for Young Adults, Take 1. I'm Malorie Blackman, and I have written over 70 books for children of all ages, but my real passion is young adult fiction. I'd like to share with you some of the tips and tricks that I've encountered over my 30+ years as a writer, with a view to helping you on your own writing journey. In my BBC Maestro course, we'll be looking at plot. What we're trying to do with the plot is raise those stakes all the time. Character and characterisation. Objects are a really good way of getting into character. What I'd like you to do is talk about the man who owns this glove. Dialogue. Sometimes people say exactly what they mean, but sometimes they don't. And I think when you have someone who's saying one thing but they mean another, that can be really interesting to write, and it can be really interesting to read. And story. And this is exactly the kind of thing I would do for most, if not all, of my books, where I'd plan them out and think about, okay, what's going to work where? What point will lead into the next point? I became a writer for one simple reason. It was the love of reading. I love stories. And from the time I was 7 or 8, I would spend practically every Saturday at my local library just devouring as many books as I could. And it is that love of reading which nurtured a love of writing and made me want to write my own stories in all kinds of different genres. This BBC Maestro course is for anyone and everyone who wants to write for young adults. So maybe you're a newer author and you're not quite sure about how to write for young adults, or maybe you're an author who writes for younger children and you're trying to find a way into writing for young adults, or maybe you already write for adults and you want to write for a younger age range. Whoever you are, if you want to write for young adults, this is the course for you.